Senate Bill 2332. Imagine this. Imagine the state police decide they want their own airplanes and helicopters managed fully in-house, with their own people deciding where they are parked, who flies them, and how they are maintained. What the bill says it does. Senate Bill 2332 says the Department of Public Safety should be in charge of maintaining and scheduling the aircraft it owns and operates. It also says DPS can base those aircraft anywhere in Texas it thinks is necessary, and only DPS employees can serve as pilots on DPS-owned aircraft. What it actually does? This means DPS gets more direct control over its own aircraft fleet while outside contractors lose some room to do that work. It also means DPS can decide where aircraft are stationed around the state, which can affect which regions get faster coverage and which ones may have less access. Who benefits? DPS. Law enforcement operations that depend on DPS aircraft. State officials who want tighter in-house control over aircraft use and maintenance. Who pays the price? Private contractors who may lose maintenance or pilot work. Communities that could lose quicker aircraft access if DPS moves assets elsewhere. Texans if promised savings are not closely tracked over time. Why it matters. This is the kind of bill that sounds technical, but it still affects real people. Where aircraft are based can shape emergency response times, public safety coverage, and how state resources are spread across Texas. If the state says this will save money, Texans should be able to see proof that the savings are real and that no area is quietly left behind. Bottom line, Senate Bill 2332 gives DPS stronger in-house control over its aircraft, but Texans should still ask how that power will be tracked, measured, and shared fairly across the state.